This 2025 K-Z Sportsmen SE 301DB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 32 feet 10 inches in length and features a Nomad interior, sleeps 4, refrigerator, microwave, awning, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, TV, oven, air conditioning, slide-out, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2025 K-Z Sportsmen SE 301DB is 6,400 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.